connect stage to Google Antigravity using MCP. So as you can see, I'm within Google Antigravity, and then from MCP Servers, you can see that I have successfully been able to connect stage to Google Antigravity successfully. So let me show you how to do it. Just go to Google and then search for stage just like this, and then hit enter. When it comes, simply come to the official site of Stitch and then come and click on it. It's going to bring you right here. Come and then click on the try now. Okay, so when you click on it from the Stitch, it's going to bring you right here. Come here to the three dots and come and click on it. You will see that all these will pop up, and simply come here to where you have the docs and come and click on it. So it will take you to the docs page. Okay, and then over here you will see that we have the MCP right here. So when you click on it, it will expand it. Okay, come here to where we have the setup and authentication and click on it, and scroll down to where we have anti-gravity just like this. So over here we are going to copy this. Okay, so we are going to copy all of this, and you are going to put in where it says your API key. You are going to create an API key, and then you are going to put it right here. So come here to where we have this copy option, come and click on it to copy it and paste it somewhere. Then come and click on the stage and go back. Okay, and from here simply come here to where we have the top right hand corner, your profile picture. Come and click on it, and from here come here to where we have the stitch settings and come and click on it. Okay, so from the settings, when you scroll down, you see that we have the API key right here. So if you have already created an API key, it's going to show up here. So as you can see, I have no API key created before, so I'm simply going to click on create key, and it's going to create it for me. So simply come and then click on create key to create your API key. So as you can see, it is creating the API key. Just allow it to finish creating, and as you can see, API key created successfully. So from here, this is the API key that we have created. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the copy to copy it. Then as you can see, it has been copied successfully. All that you have to do is simply come and click on the stage and come back to the stage platform. Okay, and the one that we just copied, the doc from the doc, this one where we have your API key, come and then paste the API key that we have just created. Okay, you right click on it, then you click on paste, and it will be pasted. Okay, and then come and highlight everything just like this. Okay, right click on it and click on copy. So now we have all this. We are going to go to Google Antigravity just like this. We are going to paste it. Okay, so when you open Google Antigravity, it will open just like this. And then where we have the agents, where we have the three dots, you see that we have additional options. Come and click on it. And over here we have customization, and then we have MCP Servers. Come and click on MCP Servers. Okay, it will open just like this. Okay, so from here you see that we have all these servers, and then from here we have this MCP store, and then we have manage MCP servers. Come and click on manage MCP servers. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to open the manage MCP server just like this. And as you can see, I have not created any before. Okay, so to create it, what you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the view raw config. Just come and then click on it. So when you click on the view raw config, by simply clicking on it, it is going to open it just like this. Okay, so from here you can simply come and then paste the one that we copied. Okay, we can come and paste it right here. Over here, this shows you when you click on it, it's going to go, and then when you click on it, it will show you how to do it, and that is what I'm going to show you. Okay, so simply come here and then come and then paste. Okay, so from the MCP config, come and then paste the one that we just copied, the one that has our API key, and then come and save it. Okay, so after that, come and click on back to agent, and you will see that we have successfully saved it. Okay, so to know that you have saved it, simply come and then ask Antigravity that please, I have added a stitch MCP, check it for me if I have saved it. Okay, and it's going to ask you to allow it. Okay, so simply come and then click on allow this conversation, and after clicking on it, you see that Antigravity Gemini is going to check it for you. So as you can see, it says that I have successfully paste it, and I have been able to save it successfully. So as you can see, it should be working right now. So this is actually how to go by it. Okay, come and then type thank you and then click on send, and that is it. So this is actually how to connect Stitch to Google Antigravity using MCP. Like the video and then see you in my next video.